What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin. I'm going out today. I'm going out to the beach. Today the beach is closed, so it's a bit of a strange thing because the police have all the road blocked off. They do it every once a month, and it's pretty cool to see. And I'm gonna take the drone. I'm gonna fly the drone so you can have a look at this. Now they do this once a month, the beginning of the month. I mean, it's November. I'm in shorts, and here I am, right here on the beach. Look at all these people walking the beach here. It's all down the middle of the road, and it's so crazy. I'll get to show you here. I mean, what a beautiful day I got. Sun shining. It's like 19 degrees, almost 20 degrees right now. As you can see, I got the police right here. They've blocked off all the road, which is really nice because everybody can take their bicycles, they can take their, scooters, everything you want. Go for a ride down on the beach. And yeah, the beautiful beaches of the Mediterranean. A couple fishing rods right here, doing some fishing. And wow, look at that beautiful sky today. Got the palm trees. Yeah, just a local train coming in. Well, I put the drone up. That was fun. Got a good shot. And bullies right here. But yeah, you can have a look at this. You can literally just walk out on the street here, and they've blocked the whole road off. Pretty cool. Everybody just drives their bikes, take a walk, nice relaxing time on the weekend here, and enjoy the time without any cars on the road. Pretty cool for that. I think it's a lot of fun. This afternoon I'm gonna go to Old Antibes, maybe have some lunch, maybe on the beach. I mean, it's such a beautiful day. And look at the baby palm trees, eh? God, I love palm trees. Out here on the main road, you have all the traffic because they cannot drive on the street that's on the beach, so it's absolutely jam-packed with people. I was gonna go for a swim, but as you can see, I got all the jellyfish on the beach here today. So, nice calm day on the water, but yeah, a lot of jellyfish in the water today. View before I go home for the day. Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm in a beautiful place here in the south of France, enjoying the weekend. Thanks for watching.